Rowserworld.
All right. Welcome back, my friend. I'm glad that you actually came back to keep me company. It is a pleasure to have you here again. If this is your first time, well, it's nice to meet you as well. So what I want to do is I want to share with you just a little caricaturist trick that I learned a few years ago. And it really helped me out when it came to drawing caricatures. It increased my speed and my accuracy. So one of the things about caricature you have to understand is that it is a simplification of the face, So kind of like if you ever heard that saying, when you talk to the youngest person in the room, or the person with the least amount of ability to understand, then everybody in the classroom learns. Well, it's the same thing with caricature. Okay, when you put your shapes down so that it's easy to understand what you're trying to do first, then it increases your speed, it increases your accuracy, and actually increases, most of all, your ability to use your imagination. The more complicated you do it, the less you can concentrate on imagining what your person looks like. So I went online and I found these little silhouettes right here, okay? And ironically, this is exactly what I'm thinking when I draw a caricature. I'm going to show you something, and we're just going to make this quick. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the number 4. So I'm going to use this marker right here, and I'm going to take the number 4 and I'm going to draw it on my paper. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now this number 4, this is how it works. This is the center of the face. This line here is determining how long the face is going to be, or basically where the eyes are going to go and how far it's going to be to your chin. So we'll put the chin, and then we'll put the forehead. Got it? All right. So now check this out. If we look at this, let's just take any one of these guys right here. What about that one? So this is going to determine how wide the face is. Okay. So I'm drawing this guy. Actually, I want to make this a little bit longer because I want his bottom of his face to be about that long. Okay. So let's pretend these are his eyes. Okay. So watch this. What I'm doing is I'm imagining the shape at the bottom. Just doing a quick little sketch here. And I'm coming around to here. Now the top shape, watch this. Okay, this is the forehead. So what I'm doing here, okay, and then get it? And then I'm adding a neck shape. And these little compartments here will be your eyebrows. And then here, you determine how far your nose is going to be. Let's just draw a line there. And then look, this is the little mustache shape that you see right there. Okay. And voila, you have a easy caricature. Okay. So now you're probably saying, okay, well, so how can I translate that into an actual, drawing or whatever? Okay. So I'm glad that you asked. So you see how we did that. Let's go here, and I'm just gonna discard that. We don't need it right now. We're gonna go back, and then we're gonna find a random easy picture for you to follow from. So let's go to this guy here, since he's easy to follow. Okay. Let's draw. Look at this forehead. Look at this shape right here. Okay. So I can draw my 4 like this. This would be my center line, right? And then my 4 like that. Okay. I want something where it has about a little bit more on the bottom than on the top. I don't usually like to give guys big foreheads, even though he does have a kind of a big forehead. I want a little bit more down here than on the top. So now what I'll do here, watch this, is I can start anywhere. I can add my ear shape right here because it always connects to this line. Okay. And then watch this. This is the bottom of the shape, right? That means now all I have to do is connect my shape. Okay. Then I'll come up here. This is the top of the forehead, so we can see here. If we do it like a little balancing act, we can see that it does something like this. Okay. All right. Okay. And then it comes over here. And then we have our outside shape. Okay. Let's keep it simple. All right. Now what we do, we got 4 cubby holes here, right? And notice that his eyebrows are kind of close to the center line. Not real far away, not way up here. So we'll just do something like this. Watch. Now notice the eyes are going to be about right here. Watch this. And then I'll put the top of my line over it. Watch how I make those lines interact with that center line. Okay. Then I come to my nose shape right here. Watch. Okay. And then I'll come here and I'll add my mouth shape. And a little mustache. Okay. Once again, this is just a simple idea, but very powerful if you learn how to use it. Okay. So that, my friend, is how I look at a caricature and break it down. Remember the forehead, where the eyes go, where the ears connect, right? How long the face needs to be is down here. How tall it needs to be is going to be here, right? And then we just put it all together. So I hope that was informative for you. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos and tutorials. If you have any questions about caricature, please don't forget to go to our Caricature Basics playlist. So we have over 1,000 videos online, but Caricature Basics and Classroom Time playlist. Go and check that out before you start asking a lot of, because I know I get a lot of questions about how do you do this, how do you do that, but I've done a lot of videos on different topics involving caricatures. Just go through that list and check it out. Also, guys, stay tuned for our publication that will be coming out soon. We're going to be putting out a book, how to draw the caricature. It's going to be very informative, very fun. I can't wait for us to finish up and get it out there to you guys. I know it's been a lot of asking and inquiring about what's going on with the book. So it's coming soon, guys. But we certainly just thank you so much for your love and support and for being patient with us in that regard. But we will be putting that out soon. All right, my friends. So thank you so much for drawing with the Rouser. I appreciate your time, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.